coming to you with another video. And in this video, I'm going to bring you another review of one of my favorite fragrance oil companies, and that's the Midwest Midwest Fragrance. So I'll put the description and link below, or you can go back a couple of videos and watch my last review on Midwest Fragrance. I love their fragrance oils. They are closer to me because I'm located in Illinois, so shipping is really fast, and I just really love their products. So without further ado, if you're interested in learning about my new fragrances that I just received, I haven't even opened this box yet. I've got a couple of new fragrances that I'm going to introduce into my new spring summer line. If that's something you're interested in, definitely stay tuned. Hit the notification bell and also the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the new content. Into opening up this box, I got two fragrances, so this video will be really quick. Also, guys, if you get time, check out your girl's website, selfishsense.net. I am working on my new soap line that's going to be coming out this spring, and oh my god, my next video is going to be awesome. It's the cucumber and melon with pineapple. It smells amazing. Both of the scents, actually I mixed one scent, but the cucumber melon is from Midwest, and it worked and performed perfectly for soaping. So I'm going to also make the candle. Thinking about doing that for my Mother's Day scent launch. Okay, so the first one I ordered is the watermelon and lemonade. So let's see what this is. What this is serving. Oh, it smells. Oh, I'm hoping it smells like this in the candle, guys. It smells so good. The melon in this watermelon is just perfect. It's not too strong. Definitely smell watermelon. A little bit of lemon. Not too overpowering though, where it's overpowering the watermelon. This one is dead on. I mean, with this, it's going to be such a wonderful soap. And I'm going to combine it with another one of their fragrances. I'll have to make sure so stay tuned for that video, because I'm getting my soaps ready. You know, they have to cure for 4 weeks, so I'm starting on my spring collection now. But this one smells really good. If you love fresh, clean, with a hint of fruitiness, this watermelon lemonade. Yeah, I love it. And I'm not really a sweet person, but although my palette is changing, my candle palette, my soap palette is changing. I really wasn't a fruity type, scent girl, but they've been coming out with some really good ones. So this next one is the strawberry pound cake. Let's see. I'm trying to think. I like it, but for some reason, it's not really. I'm getting the cakey, the pound, pound cake type scent. I'm not getting as much strawberry as I was thinking I would get. It's not a bad scent. I can smell the hint of vanilla and some type of spice. So I'll have to look up the notes in this, but it's strawberry pound cake. I smell like the vanilla, cake flavor-ish type, but not too strong. Not too strong. I think it's just enough, but I would have liked to have smelled a little bit more strawberry. So maybe I'll mix some of they have a sweet strawberry that I might mix in with this strawberry pound cake. It smells good though. Maybe it might smell a little different when I make it in the candle or when I put it in soap. We'll have to see. But it doesn't smell bad. It's just I would like to have had more strawberry. So I'll put the link for these two fragrance oils in the box below.